If you want to connect ElevenLabs to Claude, this video will walk you through the quickest way to get it set up so you can start using voice and audio workflows right inside Claude Desktop. Once it's connected, you'll be able to use simple natural language prompts to send tasks to ElevenLabs without jumping between tools. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Let's get into it. First, you need to get your ElevenLabs API Key. To do that, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard and go to Developers, then API Keys. From there, generate a new API key. This key is what allows Claude to communicate with ElevenLabs securely, so make sure you copy it carefully and keep it private. Next, open Claude Desktop. On the left sidebar, click Customize, then select Connectors. In the Connectors area, click the plus icon to add a new integration. This is where you'll connect external tools to Claude so it can work with them directly. Now, choose Browse Connectors. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs Agents MCP App. Once you see it, select it and enable it. This installs the connector Claude needs in order to talk to ElevenLabs through the proper integration. After that, Claude will ask for your API credentials. Paste in the ElevenLabs API key you generated earlier. If you see a permission prompt for 11 agents, make sure you allow it so the connector can work properly. Without the correct permission, the connection may not fully activate. Once everything is connected, you can start using Claude naturally. For example, you can type a prompt like, convert this text into an audio file using ElevenLabs. Claude will then use the connector to send the request through ElevenLabs and handle the workflow for you. And that's it. You've now connected ElevenLabs to Claude and set up a much faster way to create audio with simple prompts. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.